We're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and today we're looking at a 2014 Harley-Davidson Softail Deluxe. Really nice bike with a lot of cool add-ons. We have the highway bars and pegs, cool floorboards with the matching brake pedal, cool covers, they match the derby cover on the other side. Locking leather structured saddlebags that match the seat. These are really nice, really cool. Rider backrest, luggage rack, smoked out lenses. There's that matching derby cover, heel toe shifter, high handlebars, nice big front fairing, and smoked out turn signals and yellow lights up here as well. Also has the Vance and Hines exhaust. Gas tank pouch and a sound bar, because why not? Miles are 14,680. And she sounds great. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.